ever pet a dragon before? This is gonna go really well, guys. Perfect. All right. I know, buddy. We're gonna get there. I promise. All right. He wants to say hi to you guys so he can get to his fish. So let's do this all at the same time, shall we? All right. Hold our hands out. We're gonna slowly approach him. Very good. What do you smell, bud? Oh, he doesn't smell anything incredibly offensive. That's a good sign. We're going to take a big step forward and hover our hands over his head. There you go. I think he likes you. You must have dragons in Virginia. You guys are naturals for this.